Here in this video, we are going to understand the difference between among, amongst, amid, amidst. All are preposition. What did I say? All are preposition. So, just by considering all these prepositions, what according to you is going to be the correct answer in these fill in the blanks? Let me see how many of you are going to answer me without watching it. The first question is, he cannot survive dash their dishonesty. Nobody found any flaw amidst integrity of their character. Actually, I have written it down here and I'm feeling very sorry for that. But definitely I will provide you the reason, right? Till then, let me know the correct answer of this. I saw a book that's debris of the car. It's called debris. Debris, not debris. Debris. Mr. Sama gave away 30 lakhs dash 8 members. So what according to you is going to be the correct answer? You will have to tell me. If I start telling you the usages of among, amongst, amid and amidst, then let me tell you what is the usage. Among and amongst are used for plural countable noun. Please understand it always. Among and amongst are always used for plural countable noun. And if I talk about amid and amidst, then it is used for either singular countable noun or uncountable noun, right? And the other thing is also we need to observe and we need to understand very carefully. That is very important for our understanding. Let me tell you that among and amid are used for those whose initial, what did I say? Whose initial sounds are not, is consonant, right? And amongst, amidst is used for vowel sound, right? So just by considering these concepts, let's solve the question. He cannot survive their dishonesty. Dishonesty is what? Uncountable noun, and that's the reason we can only use either amid or amidst. But as we have understood that amongst, what we say, amidst and amongst is used for vowel sounding, but the sounding is consonant, and that's the reason we are going to use amid here. Right? Now let's move on to the next. Let's see is it correct or not. Nobody found any flaw amidst integrity of their character. Just understand it. Integrity is uncountable noun. What did I say? Uncountable noun. And what's the pronunciation? The pronunciation goes to vowel sounding. And we have understood if it is a consonant, what we say, uncountable noun, and if it is vowel sounding, then we will have to use what? Amidst. Why? Because amid and amidst is used for uncountable noun and amidst is used for vowel sounding, and that's the reason amidst is correct here. And let's move on to the next one. I saw a book dash debris of the car. Just understand it. Debris is uncountable noun. What did I say? Uncountable noun. What did I say? Uncountable noun. And that's the reason we will have to use even the uncountable noun, and the pronunciation turns out to be consonant sounding, and that's the reason amid is correct. Right? I hope I'm able to make you understand. Then now let's move on to the next one. Mr. Sama gave away 30 lakhs dash 8 members. 8 members, it means plural countable noun, right? 8, it means what? It means what? It is vowel sounding, and if it is talking about vowel sounding, it means amongst is correct here, right? But Here you will have to understand one thing, let me tell you. Here we have used gave away. Gave away is very important. Gave away means to distribute. I hope I'm able to make you understand. If you feel that the contents are good, then do like it. And do subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet. Do visit other videos as well, right? Thank you for being with me. Have a great time.